The beauty of BridgeCom is the support. I mean, I was on the phone with Jeremy the other day with a really obtuse question about, different modes and frequencies, and he was able to help me out right away.
Hey, this is Ron again, KC0QVT from live at Hamcation at the BridgeCom booth, and I'm here with Sam. Sam's a customer of ours. He's bought some 878 UV2 Plus DMR handhelds, but the one thing I want to talk to Sam about was he's very active in Scouts, and he's also very active in digital, and we've been a great partner, it seems. I've learned that he's got some radios, but hey, how's it going, Sam?
I'm doing great. My call sign is WS4BSA for Scouting.
Oh, nice.
I am one of the co-chairs for the JOTA, which is Jamboree on the Air. That is held every October, the third weekend of October every year, where all the scouts from around the world get on ham radios and talk to each other.
Are they getting their licenses, or are they already licensed?
New this year is actually a cram session on Saturday with a testing session on Sunday.
Are you getting them into digital?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your experience been like with digital radio and DMR particularly?
I love my DMR, especially my hotspot.
Nice.
I don't have to worry about programming repeaters as I travel around the state. I have my hotspot on my dash. It's plugged into my MiFi, and I got the rest of the radio going through the stereo in the car system with the push-to-talk on the steering wheel. It's beautiful. What a way to go.
Awesome. Are you getting help with BridgeCom University?
Absolutely. Online videos are phenomenal.
Well, one of the things that was intriguing to me is that you're getting the help you need. And it's not, you don't just get a radio and then hope you figure it out, but we wanted to get behind you and be a team player with you.
The beauty of BridgeCom is the support. I mean, I was on the phone with Jeremy the other day with a really obtuse question about, different modes and frequencies, and he was able to help me out right away.
Well, that's music to our ears, folks. Sam is a great guy. He's here in Florida. He's doing a lot of stuff with the Scouts, and he's also helping these young guys get into DMR, and we're glad to be partnered with him. So thank you a lot, Sam, for being here.
Thank you.
All right, 7-3, my friend.